Merry Christmas to Mom and Dad. That's right. I was lucky that you my parents. Yeah. All right. A memory. A memory with my parents. Oh, I got one. Hang on. Hang on. Right here's my memory. Weber kettles. Weber kettle. That's right. So let me tell you, when I went to the grocery store with my mama, she had a list. And she had a budget. That's right. But can I go? Can I stand up? Hang on a minute. That's better. You can still see the tops of them. But my dad would wake up on Saturday morning, and he'd say, "You want barbecue?" Oh, heck yeah, I'm on barbecue. And it'll be on the Weber kettle with charcoal. That's right. But you know what? He didn't have a budget. So what was really cool, we take off and we drive down the road, get there, pull in there, and we go inside the store. Meat department. Of course we got baby back ribs, and we get some other meats and stuff. We get back to the house, probably did some chores and stuff around the house there, and then we barbecued. That's right. That's a big memory of mine. If you don't know, I like to cook outdoors. I like to barbecue. Weber kettles are my #1 cook on. I cook a little differently than he does, but I still cook on them for my family memories. That's right. One of the first things I bought when I moved out of that house, a Weber kettle. That's right. You can buy these babies right now for $109 all day long. There's a 22-inch. It's a must-have, I think. You could do so much with it. Am I past a minute? I don't know. I just ended there. I do remember my dad cooked ribs one time and Marshall was there. That's right. He put the barbecue sauce on a little earlier than I did, and they were crispy. I think Marshall was there. Yeah. All right. We'll see you. They call me Papa Texas on the tubes. PapaTexas.tv. Love you, Mom and Dad. See you. Yeah.